We are so excited today. We are doing, for the first time ever, picnics and paying it forward across the entire school.
Every grade level has a organization that they're working with, whether it be Inova Children's Hospital or ECHO or Lamb Center. We have a group making kits for a local church. So they are putting together kits and donations for our community.
So each of the grade levels collected donations, and we supplemented those donations. So every child in the school is going to be an active part of this service learning project.
It's a way for kids to really see the meaning behind it. It's a way for them to participate and sort of put things together and show that it's actually going to a human being and there's a purpose behind it. It's much more than just coming in and spending time with your parents. It's about putting together an entire project that really has meaning in the community and showcases the need and allows them to participate in sort of the giving spirit.
We think it fits really nicely with our Portrait of a Graduate. Skills in Fairfax County, they will be communicating today, collaborating, learning about being a global and ethical citizen, and really getting to experience service learning school-wide.
We also built in a piece to bring our community and the parents in, and so we're putting a picnic component with it where the students will be having lunch in their room or in their pods with their parents or other family members, and it really ties the community into this community project, and it gives the students a great opportunity to work with their parents closely on this project.